I would like to recommend you that just obey the instructions. Okay, folks. So, friends, as we said, we are Drumil and Hiral from India, and just a minute. Someone is. Make sure you mute yourself so that our speakers are not getting disturbed. And so, friends, we are Drumil and Hiral from India, and we pursued this business. We both did our corporate jobs way back since last many years. Now we are free as we got some mentorship program, and we got free from through this mentorship program. And the same mentorship program today is been shared by you by our esteemed speaker. Their names are Manish and Kamini Patel. Manish Patel. Let me give a quick introduction of Manish and Kamini Patel. They are Manish Patel himself is an engineer from NIT India, and he is pursuing his traditional business. And with the traditional business, and being success in a successful career in a traditional business, they are pursuing this opportunity and giving mentorship to a lot many people, and they're expanding this opportunity globally. And Kamini Patel, she's a homemaker and a businesswoman too. So without much time, taking your time, let me invite you, Manish and Kamini Patel, on the screen.
Thank you, Dhruvimal. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for wonderful hosting, and thank you so much for your warm welcome. So, good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope everybody is fine. So, good morning, everyone, for America and Canada people, and good evening to all Indian people. My name is Manish Patel, as rightly said by Dhrumil. I'm an electrical engineer. I have done my engineering from NIT Surat. At present, I'm a full-time businessman. We are having an office automation business, and we are the channel partners for Xerox India Limited. I think you must have heard about the Xerox India. Xerox is basically an American company, and we are the channel partners for the Gujarat, and we are also doing a multiple kind of business. But due to pandemic situations, we are struggling in that kind of a business right now. So apart from our full-time career, friends, we are also building an asset-based income. And for that business, I'm gonna talk to you for the next 40 to 45 minutes. So please keep your mind open, and I request all of you to please, whatever the preconceived notion which you're having right now, please keep it aside for the half an hour. All kind of prejudice which you have right now, please keep it aside for the half an hour and listen me very carefully till the end and with open mind, guys. Right? This is wonderful opportunity. As rightly said by Drumil Bhai, I'm an electrical engineer. But before that, I would like to say that I'm not a very extraordinary person. I'm like you guys only. When I saw this business opportunity at that time, I was working with company, right, which was a private company. At that time, my salary was not enough. So at that time, I was, pursuing a lot of dreams, and my salary was not enough capable to pursue my all kind of dreams. So at that time, I was looking something. I was, open-minded to see any kind of opportunity. Even I tried for many opportunity, but at that time, I was not having enough money, right, to start that opportunity, because every business needs a capital investment, right? So at that time, I was looking something, and at that time, I have been invited, like you, right, for a business meeting. And after seeing that business meeting, I came to know that okay, this is the unique opportunity where you don't have to invest any kind of capital investment. Yeah, investment is there, but that investment is very negligible. I would say, $182 is investment. So at that time, I was so happy that with the minimal investment, I mean negligible investment, I can pursue my dream. And at that time, I came to know this opportunity is a unique opportunity because you don't have to compromise with your, current job and profession. So without disturbing your current income, right, you don't have to invest anything, and you can pursue long income, and at the same time, you have equal opportunity, right, to build this business opportunity. So friends, you don't need to have any extraordinary people. You don't need to have, a qualification degree to build an MLM to build this business. You have to have a common sense to build this business opportunity. It's a very simple and very, anybody can do this business opportunity, right? So if I'll talk about you, if I'll talk about myself, this is my humble request, friends. If I do any kind of mistake, so please forgive me right in advance. I'm telling you, because till sixth standard, I was on Gujarati medium. I was, I was studying in Sarkari school. What does it mean? I was studying in government school. So government school, I was studying in government school. First time in the seventh standard, I came to know about the English alphabet, ABCD. Can you understand? Can you imagine? In seventh standard, first time I came to know about the ABCD. So that's for the reason I'm telling you. If I do any kind of mistake, please forgive me. I know many expert people are here. Maybe you are more fluent than me in English, and regularly we are speaking in Gujarati, either Hindi, right? So that's for the reason. If I do any kind of mistake, please forgive me, because I'm not used to speaking in English. But definitely my English is also good. You will love it and you will enjoy the business presentation. So friends, I'm not an expert person. As I told you, I'm not here to convince you anyone. I'm not here to pursue anyone. I will share the opportunity right at the end of the business meeting. If you find that this opportunity is for you, you are most welcome. If you find that this opportunity is not for you, you can say no also, right? I'm not here to convince you. You yourself have to convince yourself why you want to build this business. Is there any reason? Do you have any kind of dream so that this business will help you? We are looking for a business partner. We are not looking for any kind of job people. We are purely looking for a business partner, and those business partner should have some reason to build this business opportunity. If you have a why, then how doesn't matter, guys. So give me a couple of seconds to share my screen. So one more time, friends, I would like to welcome each and every one of you for this wonderful, unique business opportunity. This is a overview. This is a business overview session, and this business is a business of 21st century, right? So I'll run very quickly because I have a limited time. After the meeting, if you have any kind of questions, please talk to a person whom I've invited you for this business meeting. He is expert in this business opportunity. He is having an expert team, right? So that team will support you. That team will answer your all questions. So at the end of the meeting, if you find that, if you have any questions, right? So talk to that people. So before we talk about the, this business opportunity, we will run through some process. What is the reason for the process, guys? We are looking for a business partner, as I rightly said, few seconds back. We are not looking for a person, who is not serious. We are looking for a business person. We are looking for a growth-minded people. We are looking for a business partner. We are demanding, we expect a certain quality of that people. What kind of a quality we are talking about, guys? We are looking for a person who is a trustworthy and at the same time, who is very transparent. We are talking about the mutual trust. You also have to trust us and we also have to trust you. So you have to create a trust in us, why we should invest our time behind you. And you should be very transparent. You should not hide anything, right? So this kind of a business partner we are looking for, guys. We are also looking for a person, right, who believes in opinion. Who believes in fact. Don't believe in opinion. We are looking for a business person. We are looking for a business partner who believes in himself, right? Who believes in, fact, who believes in who's by gathering his own experience, he is enough capable to take a decision. So that kind of a person we are looking for exactly. We are looking for a first-handed people, who is, first-handed opinion guy. So that kind of a people we are looking for exactly. We are not looking for any kind of education. We are not looking for any kind of credential, guys. Might be you having a master degree, might be having a doctor degree. That kind of a degree we are not looking for exactly. We are looking for a person who is having a good characters. What does it mean by characters, guys? For my meaning, character means the person who is open-minded and at the same time who should be very humble. We are looking for a person who is open-minded and at the same time is humble. We are looking for a person who is willing to change and listen. We are looking for a person who is willing to learn and willing to change. We are also looking for a person, right, who is ready to work for at least 15 to 20 hours a week. So if your character is good, if you're willing to learn and listen, if you're willing to adopt the change, you are most welcome. You are qualified for the business present. I mean, you are qualified for the business, right? We are looking for integrity. We are looking for a person who is accountable, and he should have an integrity. What does he mean by accountable? Accountable means whatever you are saying, your action is matching with that saying. Whatever you are saying, you are doing that. So that kind of accountable person we are looking for exactly, guys. We are looking for a person who always looking a benefit of other people rather than looking a benefit of himself. I mean, he should not be a self-centered guy. He should definitely see the benefit of other people first. So that kind of a people, I mean, serving nature people, we are looking for exactly, guys. So this kind of a business partner we are looking for exactly. We are looking for a business partner who is a very ambitious, who should have some reason to build this business, who should have a lot of reason, who should have a lot of dreams, who should have a lot of ambitions to build this opportunity. If you are satisfied with the current job and professions, we are not looking for you, right? There are a lot of people to whom we are showing the business opportunity, but at that time, he is saying that, Manish, I'm so happy with my current job and profession. So that kind of a people we are not looking for, right? We are looking for a dynamic, sharp, and over ambitious people. If you are not satisfied with the current job and profession, you are most welcome. You are open, right? We are ready to work for you, right? So this kind of a people we are looking for exactly. We are looking for a person who believes in himself. I already told you guys, right? He does not require anyone's opinion, right? Some people are always taking an opinion from other people, right? He might be a colleague, he might be an uncle's son, he might be a neighbor's, he might be a, parents. Guys, I'm telling you, yes, you are going to see this business opportunity and you are going to see the fact. So based on that fact, you have to decide whether you want to build this business or not. I told you already, we are not going to convince you. You have to convince yourself why you should build this business opportunity, why we should invest time for you guys, right? So very simple. This kind of a qualities we are looking for in our business partners guide, right? Very simple. I'm telling you guys, this business is very, very, very simple. When I saw this business opportunity at that time, I couldn't find out what is the reason. But at that time, my reason was very much clear. I wanted to earn a big money. And at that time, opportunity, I was not knowing about the company. I was not knowing about the speaker at that time. But the person who brought me in this business opportunity, he was very gentleman. He was a very successful businessman in Surat. The name of that person is Jason Smita Verma. I had a trust in that person. He was a very successful guy. At that time, I see that if that person is building this business opportunity, it means something is there, right? But at the same time, before signing me, before logging me, he qualified me. He asked me, what are the reasons for that you want to build this business opportunity? At that time, I had a list of, number of dreams with me. So after qualifying me, he told me that you have to work at least 20 hours a week. Are you willing to work? He told me this quality will not, with this quality, you'll not be able to get success. You have to change yourself. Are you ready to change? I said, yes, sir. Are you ready to learn and listen? I said, yes, sir. So if you are also ready to learn and listen, change yourself, and at the same time, if you are ready to work with us, you are most welcome, guys. Our agenda is what? Exactly what we are going to show you today exactly, right? A lot of people are having a question. A lot of people are, sitting here with how, what are the exactly things which we want to do, right? Have patience, guy. I'll explain you step by step. Our agenda is to show you a cash flow quadrants. It's very important. All of you must have heard about the book, The Business of 21st Century. I assume that a lot of people have read that book also. The author of that book is Robert Kiyosaki. Robert Kiyosaki is a business partner of Donald Trump. Robert Kiyosaki is very renowned author in America, and his book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, definitely you must have heard about that, right? So according to that book, we will discuss about the cash flow quadrants. Later on, we will discuss about the asset development, right? Lot many people are not knowing about the asset management. Lot many people are not knowing about the asset based income. We only know about the time based income. You have to work and get money, get time and get money. That kind of a time based income we are knowing about. But do we know about any kind of asset based income? I'll talk about the asset based income also, guys, right? I'll talk about the business plan. The same curiosity you are having, what are the exactly thing, what are the exact step which I need to do to build this business opportunity, that we see later on, guys. I'll talk about the mentorship program. I spoke about Jayesh Verma, right? Jayesh Verma is my mentor right now. He's mentoring me, he's coaching me, right? And because of that mentorship, I would say, if I'll talk about my success, my 100% credit goes to my mentor, my coach, Mr. Jayesh and Smita Verma. So that kind of a mentorship program you also will be given, right? You also will be given a coach and mentor, but that mentor will qualify you first, right? It depends on how ready you are, right? So that mentor will support you, that mentor will coach you, and according to that mentorship, you will get a success in future. Later on, I'll talk about the compensation plan, right? I'll talk about the Moola, right? We are a Gujarati people. Most of the people I see here are a Gujarati people, right? I don't have to explain anything about the Moola. I don't have to explain about the, I mean, what do I say? Vitamin M. If body doesn't have any kind of vitamin, it's okay. But if vitamin M is not having V, right? So definitely we get in trouble. So that purpose, I mean that thing, I'll talk about the last part. But before that, I want to share with you about a cash flow quadrant. What does it mean, guys? Robert Kiyosaki has divided the whole world into four quadrants, right? In screen, you can see that there are four quadrants. Number one quadrant is E. E means employee. Most of the people are falls into E quadrant. What E people are doing, right? They people are earning, right, time based income. What does it mean, guys? Employee people always trade their time, and in return they used to get money. Am I right? If you are employee, you have to trade your time to your company, and in the return your company will give you money, right? The moment you'll stop working in that company, your income will be zero, right? So solely your income is dependent on you, your ability. The moment you'll start working, the moment you'll stop working, immediately your income will be zero, right? But the mindset of employee people is what? The mindset of employee people is always a security. But what do you think? Is employee a secure people? Of course not, right? During the COVID-19, a lot of people, a lot of employees have lost their job. And I have heard somewhere else, December 2020, 25 million more people are going to lay off from that company, right? Can you imagine, right? 25 million people are going to lay off by December 2020, right? So their mindset is security, but they are not secure people. I would say one thing is very much certain, nothing is certain in that case, right? If I talk about the S quadrant, guys, S means self-employed. Their mindset is independence, right? They want to be independent. They want to be controlled by their own. Self-employee means they are an employee of their own. They are also trading their time and they are also earning money. So I'm telling you guys, in that case also, self-employed is always, right, struggling or always trying to improve their lifestyle, and for that they trade their time, and in return they are getting money. Always they are looking for different customers. Always they are looking for, always they are doing a lot of hard work. So in that case, I think employee is also solely dependent on single source of income. In that case also, I would like to tell you guys, the moment any self-employed stop working, their income also will be stopped, right? If I talk about the business quadrant is the most powerful quadrant out of this four quadrant. What does it mean by B? B means business owner. B means big business. I'm not talking about the small business, like, small business is self-employed. I'm talking about the big business. In big business, the person who owns more 105 employees in that organizations, right? that particularly organization is called a big business, right? How do they earn? They are earning a leverage income, guys. With the help of more than 500 employees, they leverage their time, they create a team, and with the help of that team, they are earning a lot of money. What do you think? If that person doesn't come for 1 week or 1 month, would you think there'll be any difference in their income? Definitely no. Because these people are working for them and their time, right, is creating a wealth for them. These business people are having a mindset of, create wealth. Their mindset is to create asset. Their mindset is to have, a big income. But if I talk about the investor people, what investor people are doing? Investor people are investing money, and from that money, they are earning a lot of money. So money is earning for them. So if you see here, there are three kind of income. One is time-based income, second is a leverage income, and third is a money income. Right? So this three kind of income, right? Robert Kiyosaki has described in the book, The Business of 21st Century. If you haven't read that book, it is my highly recommendation that you please at least read 6th chapter of The Business of 21st Century. If I talk about the industrial age, right? In case of industrial age, if you want to be a big businessman at that time, you have to have a lot of investment. You have to have a lot of big capital investment, right? And in that case, you have to create a product. In that case, you have to create a system, and by that system, you have to duplicate via an employee, right? And you can create a wealth. But in case of industrial age, if you want to be a businessman, you have to have lot of investment. I would say, millions and billions. But I want to share with you a business opportunity, which is an information age. In that information age, you require only a mobile connections, on you require an internet connections, right? You need a smartphone, you need a laptop, and you need only an internet connections. So in that particularly information age, with the help of business owner, right? Here in case of information age, you create a team of people, you create a team of business owner, you create a team of right partners, and that partners will create a wealth for you, right? How it is possible, that I'll explain you. But if I talk about the information age, you ask a question to yourself. In the current scenario, who is the number one? Amazon is number one. Who is the owner of Amazon? Jeff Bezos, definitely, right? So what do you think? How much investment he has done to get a number one position? If I'll compare with the Reliance Industries, if I'll compare with the Microsoft, if I compare with the iPhone, their investment are very minimal. Am I right or wrong? If I talk about the Uber, if I talk about the Ola, if I talk about the Swiggy, if I talk about the Zomato, you take any example of information age model. In that case, you don't find a single cab of Uber owner, although he is earning a lot of money with the help of business owners. They are creating a team, they are duplicating team, and they are leveraging their time with the help of business owners. In the case of industrial age, you have to pay the salary to the employee. But in the case of information age, you are creating a business partner, you don't have to pay anything to them, right? So it's a wonderful era. It's a wonderful internet era, guys. So with the help of information age, without disturbing your job and professions, you also can create a big wealth in your life. You can also pursue a lot of dreams. You can also, fulfill the dreams of your family, right? We are going ahead. Now, what E and S quadrant people are exactly doing? Friends, E and S quadrant people are, working at least 40 hours a week. Let's say assume they are working for 50 weeks in a year. So they are working for 2000 hours a year. If we assume that they are working for 50 years, it is not possible to work 50 years, right? But let's assume that they are working for 50 years. Still, right? In the entire career, in the entire life, they are working only 1 lakh hours per life, right? This is the exactly a making and living, right? With the help of, their time trading, they are earning a money, they are making a living. But in the case of B quadrant life, they are creating an asset. They are having a lot of employees, they are having a lot of business partner with the help of, duplication process, they are leveraging their time. If I'll just give you an example of Microsoft, how many employees are having with Microsoft? Let's say about 10,000 employees are working for Microsoft. If one employees are working for at least 8 hours a day, so for how many hours, right, Microsoft owner is owning? If one employee is working for 8 hours, if you multiply by with 10,000, so one day for Microsoft owner is 80,000 hours. Can you imagine, guys? Right? Microsoft owners are working for 80,000 hours a day. And that's for the reason they people are creating a wealth. They people are creating a humongous asset, right? They are having a lot of, I mean, they are having a good product. They are having a good service. They are having a, incentive plan for their employees. So with the help of incentive plan, with the help of bonus plan, with the help of product and services, they are duplicating their business owners. They are leveraging their time, and with the help of leveraging their time, they are creating their asset. The same opportunity, guys, you're gonna have with the help of the opportunity which I'm gonna share with you. You'll also definitely get the same kind of opportunity, right? So you also can create an asset in your life. Next, this is the current scenario exactly, guys. If I talk about the myself, when I was working at that time, I used to trade my time and I used to get money from my employer. Same way, if you're working for some other company, what is happening, guys? You are trading your time and in return, you are getting a money. What do you do with that money exactly? In the evening times or in the weekends, you are spending that money to the stores to fulfill your family requirement for the household expense. And if you are spending that money, in returns, you are getting the products. In both the cases, right? In both the cases, what is happening? If you're working for someone, if you're trading your time, who is creating an asset? Your employer is creating an asset. Exactly. And if you're spending a money, who is creating an asset in that case? In that case also, the store owner is creating their own asset. What you are getting exactly? For the rest of your life, I would say, you just fight for making a living. But these people are, with the help of your time and with the help of your money, they are creating their own wealth. They are creating a asset-based income. And in that case, if I talk about the B and I quadrant, their presence is not required. They are independent people. In true sense, they are having a freedom. They are not, I mean, for a day or a week or for a month, if they will not go to their place, to their company, right? What does it make any difference? There'll be no kind of difference, guys. So that in a true sense, they are free, right? But with the help of your time and with the help of your money, right? You also can create a wealth with the help of your time and with the help of your money. I'll give you a store. I'll give you an opportunity. I'll share with you on a platform where you can create your own wealth, right? So left hand side, you can see there's store.com, but in opportunity, which I'm going to share with you in that store will be your own store. That platform will be your own platform. And here you are trading your time for some other people. In that case, right, you will trade a time to create your own wealth. You will trade your time, you will work for at least 2 to 3 hours a day. In that case, you create your own network of partners, and that partner will create your wealth, right? It's a beautiful opportunity, guys. It's a very simple opportunity. If you see, there are only two things which you need to require to do exactly, right? So I'll talk about this, store. And that store is a big store. That's a big brand name. You must have heard about that name, but later on, I'll discuss that. Before that, I'll discuss about the compensation plan. What does it mean on compensation? So to earn a compensation, to earn a money, you have to buy a product from that store, for which I'm going to talk to you. right? In that store, many kind of products are available, many kind of products and services available. If you look at in the screen, electronics is there, skincare product is there, home care product is there, energy drink is there, nutrition is there. Lot many co-branded product is also available in our portfolio. I would say you name it, we have it. Any product, any damn product you require for your family, it is available in our store, right? It's your own store. You will get an opportunity to become a partner of this store. And that is also without any kind of investment. Yes, investment is there, but it's a negligible investment, right? So with that negligible investment, you'll get an opportunity to become a store owner. And that store owner that you're spending, right, will become an asset for you. In the current scenario, if you are spending any money to any store, is it our liability or is it our asset exactly? Yeah, definitely your answer is liability. But in our case, if you will buy the product from your own store, that store will become an asset for you. That you're spending, your expense, your monthly expense will become an asset for you. So these are the product and services. These are the product and services you have to use. If you don't use the product, you don't know about the quality. If you don't use the product, you will not confidently share your experience to other people, right? So you have to use the product. That is the first step in our business to get a compensation plan. What is the second thing? The same thing you have to share to your colleagues, to your friends, to your relatives, those who are also spending their money to some ag store. If they are also spending, they are also not getting anything. So you have to explain the same fundamental, you have to explain the same concept. You have to share the concept and you have to explain them that by spending a money, we can definitely earn a money. So spending can become earning here. So that you have to share them, right? So here you are creating a business network, and with the help of business network, you will create your own asset, right? Next, the company which I'm talking about is Amway Global. You must have heard about the name of this company. I'm sure some or the other way you have heard about the name of this company, but very few people are knowing the fact of this company. Friends, I'll talk about the fact of this company. When I saw this business opportunity for the first time, I was shocked to know the real fact about the company because I was knowing something else, right? At that time, that person have told me, would have told, I mean, if I know that it's an Amway opportunity, I would definitely not attend that particular program. But after watching this opportunity, once I have seen the fact, once I've seen the credential of the company, I got shocked literally. And from that day, from that moment, I have decided to build this business opportunity. If I talk about the Amway Corporation is number one direct selling business in the world, guys. If you compare with any company, right? Amway is a number one direct selling company in the world. And direct selling means you are directly buying a product from the manufacturer, and manufacturer in our case is Amway. Amway is your own store. Amway will give you an opportunity to be a partner. There will be a 60-40% partnership. So with the help of that partnership, whatever the spending which you will do in Amway, for the Amway products, this company will give you an income. This company will give you an opportunity to create your wealth. And across the globe, this company is the number one. In 1959, company has started. So you can see this company is having a rich experience of 61 years. How many people are old here? Well, I mean, 61 years old. Most of the people are not, I would say, not born when this company got started. So this company is having a rich experience of 61 years. This company has distributed almost 58.6 billion US dollars, right, amongst the all Amway distributors. Can you imagine? 58.6 billion US dollars company has already distributed amongst the all Amway distributors. So if you are not a part of an Amway, you must have not get it. But in the future, if you want this kind of distribution bonuses, so you need to be a part of an Amway corporations. You need to be a part of this Amway Global, right? This company is amongst the world's top 35. largest private American company according to the Forbes list. This company is also giving you 180 days guarantee, 100% satisfaction guarantee. What does it mean, guys? If you buy any products from the Amway Corporation, if you use that product, if you feel it's not okay, yeah, as per the satisfaction, as per the expectations, if you are not getting a quality, so that product you can give it back to the company within 180 days. Do you get any such kind of customer satisfaction guarantee in the market? This company is giving you such kind of a guarantee or 100% satisfaction guarantee where you can give it back to the company. Amazing, guys. If I talk about the 2017, the total sales turnover of this company is 8.6 billion US dollars. This company is working in more than 100 countries. The most beautiful part, you can sit anywhere else, whether it is Kashmir or Kanyakumari or Los Angeles or Florida, from wherever you can build this business across the globe. I mean, this company is working in 100 and plus country. So by sitting at your home, you can expand your business globally. This company is having a 450 products. If I talk about the products, products are amazing. And this company is acquiring 100 plus patents. Can you imagine how much is the expense to create a one patents? This company is having, 800 plus patents. So such a wonderful and, amazing credentials this company is having. So based on a fact, you have to decide whether you want to go ahead or not, right? If I talk about the Brick Forward education system, some of you might have questions. Can I do this? When I saw this business opportunity, friends, at that time, I was a very shy guy. I was stumbling. I was stammering. Even talking to other people, it was not my cup of tea exactly. But at that time, I have been introduced to my mentor, and my mentor told me that there is an education system. That education system will teach you, that education system will create a mindset. I mean, not mindset, that system will create a growth mindset in you. And that will develop your personal, that will develop you personally, and that will help you to build an Amway business. I give you a guarantee. Across the globe, Amway is the only company which has got an education system. And this education system, right, is an amazing system. With the help of this education system, guys, you will build your belief, you build a knowledge, and at the same time, you also build yourself. You will build a growth mindset, and that mindset will help you to expand your business globally. And that mindset will help you to create your asset. With the help of coaching and mentorship, right, you can build this business. With the help of mobile applications and online resources, right, this Brick Forward applications are having this kind of mobile applications. So with the help of mobile applications also, you can expand your business. With the help of business conferences, guys, right, this kind of a conference is happening every week. In any country, if you want any kind of support, right, Brick Forward is conducting a business conference. And with the help of that business conference, you can educate the people and you can motivate them, or you can give a belief and faith to that people, and you can expand your business network, right? So with the help of business conference, you can expand your business. With the help of streaming audios and videos, in Brick Forward education system, there are a lot of people who are successful. Some of them are, NASA scientists. Some of them are, Citibank vice president. Some of them are PhD qualified, PhD in computer science. So that kind of a people are working here, and their audio streamings are available at your doorstep, right? So with the help of that audio streaming, with the help of that, video streaming, you will be able to expand your business. You will be you can light up the fire in your team. You can, you motivate them. And with the help of this education system, you cannot imagine how big business you can expand in your life, right? Let's go on. There are three people who will support you to expand the business. One entity will be a Brick Forward education system. I've already spoken about that, right? Another person is Amway Corporations. Friends, this is the only business where you don't have to think about anything, including government levies, or manufacturing, or research, or accounts, or delivery. This will be taken care by Amway people. Amway will do everything for you. Amway will research the product, Amway will manufacture the product, Amway will deliver the product, Amway will maintain your account, right? Everything will be done by, or I would say taken care by, Amway employee. You only have to expand your network, and to expand your network, your team, the person who has invited you here, they're having a very good team of success people. And that person will support you to expand your network. So these three people will be support to you, and that support is amazing support. I told you I was not enough capable to expand this business. I had a doubt, can I do this? But at that time, these three people had supported me like anything. And now the end result is in front of you guys, right? I'm an Emerald Direct. If I talk about the Indian currency, in Indian currency, I'm earning almost 25 lakh rupees a year. But in America, if you are an Emerald, your income will be lot many that I'll show you, right? Compared to India. So this three entity are, working for you, they're helping you, and they will help you to expand your business, right? So what are the things which we need to do, guys? The first thing you need to do is you have to shop your particularly product, right? You have to shop your household expense. I mean, you have to spend your money to an Amway products. Second thing, you have to share this business opportunity to a lot many people. Some of them will say no, some of them will say yes. But the person who is open-minded, the person who is hungry, the person who is craving a lot of money in that in their life, so those people will definitely come to you and will see that I'm ready. So you have to create a business owner, you have to create a network of business partners, right? You have to create a client also. You have to use the product, you have to share the product, right? With the help of sharing, you will create some clients also. You'll retail some products also, right? So this two simple things you have to do in this particular business. The first thing, you have to use the product, you have to share the products, and you have to create a network of ambitious people. You have to create a network of business partners. So next, okay, this is the favorite things, right? In Amway, when I saw this business opportunity at that time, I was not knowing about that ki after Q12 platinum ship, I'll get an international trip. But I don't know exactly the year, but when I become founder platinums, in that year, me and my wife get rewarded with a trip called Malaysia. And that was my first trip, right, of international trip, right? The same opportunity, guys, you are having. If you also qualified as a Q12 platinum, you also definitely get a international trip from the company. And the most beautiful part is that it's 100% free, and you will be treated like a VVIP guest, right? You'll get a 5-star treatment in their international trip, right? So you can ask a person whom have invited you, what is which one is the next trip? So ask him. If you start this business today itself, I could guarantee you, if you will work hard, definitely in the next year you also can come along with us, right? If I'll talk about the products, we are having an exclusive brands, guys. Companies having a 450 products. Out of that, Artistry is one of the product. Artistry is a skincare product. A lot of American celebrity are using this product. If I talk about the Artistry is amongst the world's top 5 products, right? Second category we are having is a Nutrilite. Nutrilite is the world's #1 selling vitamins and dietary supplements brand, guys. World's #1. So these two brands, right, is a proud and privilege for us. So this two brand is the most demanded product across the globe. If I talk about the pandemic situations, people are running behind us for the Nutrilite products, and Nutrilite is the only product, right? I would say Nutrilite is the only brand which has got more than 6,000 acres certified organic farm. And in that organic farming, right, they are harvesting a lot of plant, and from that plant they are making this product. So it's 100%, right, natural products. I'm telling you guys, we are so young and energetic just because of the reason that we are eating Nutrilite supplements. right? So with the help of Nutrilite brand, you can create a wealth also, and at the same time, you can, right? You can build a health of people also. You are helping in terms of, wealth point of view, and you are, helping them with the health point of view, health also point of view, right? If I talk about the other brand, there are home care brand, there are personal care brand, there are agriculture brand, there are excess energy drink, right? Lot many products companies are manufacturing, right? If you want to know about the products, right, visit www.amway.com. From that particular platform, you'll come to know many things about the products, right? If I'll talk about the co-brandings, major retailers are, having a tie with Amway. If I talk about the Nike, Black Country, Pacific Sun, Under Armour, Gap, Expedia, Home Depot. So all this kind of a brand is available with Amway. And you are already buying this product from some other showroom. Am I right or wrong? If you are buying any kind of, Nike shoes, how much money you are getting in your bank? Have you ever get any amount? Definitely no. But you are buying the same product from the Amway showroom, Amway will give you a compensation for that. Amway will reward you with money, right? Your bank account will load, right, with some amount. So this opportunity is, you guys are having, we are not having in India this kind of a tie-up, this kind of a co-branding. But you are very fortunate, you are very lucky that in America and Canada, you people are having a lot of products in your portfolio. Even there are a lot of services also, right? So the person whom I've invited you, please meet him. Take an appointment with him, right? He will explain you about the products. He will explain you about the quality of the products. He will explain you about the cost per use of that product. Some people are having a misconception. Amway products are very costly. It's completely a myth, guys, right? If you use the product, if you calculate the calculations, right, and if you use the product according to the Amway trainings, so cost per use of that product is definitely economical. There is a value for money, guys, right? So sit with a person. Okay, now I'll talk about the business plan. I'll talk about the compensation plan. Guys, if you buy any product, you'll get a point. In America, if I'll talk America and Canada, if you buy product worth of rupees $3, you'll get 1 PV. And if you accumulate 100 PV, at that time, company will give you 3% incentive as a bonus. Gradually, your turnover is increasing, right? Your percentage is also increasing. It starts with 3% and it ends with 25%. 100 PV is equal to 3%, right? 300 PV is equal to 6%, 600 PV is equal to 9%. The moment you'll hit 7,500 PV in a month, you will be rewarded as a 25% incentive. Now, I'll just give you an example. Assume that you are buying a product worth of rupees 100 PV, right? So in that case, how much money you'll get? In that case, you'll get $96 a month. If I talk about the yearly income, you'll get $1,152, right? So guys, if you're spending $300, right, you are getting $100 back in your bank account. Outside, you are not going to get anything. So you have an opportunity to earn by spending. On your expenditure also, you are earning a money here, right? How's that? I was so excited at that time, when I saw that, immediately I changed my shop. Rather than buying from provision store, I started buying from Amway corporations. And if I talk about the products are amazing, guys. Products so beautiful, right? I'm fan of an Amway products, right? Next, now, if you're sharing this business opportunity to other people, some of them have joined your network. Let's say assume that your total network, including you, is 7 people. In your network, total business partner is 7. In that case, if every individual is doing a turnover of, let's say, 100 point value, in that case, your total income will be $222. Although your turnover is only $100, right? But you are earning how much? Your turnover is $300. But in that case, if you are having a 7 IBO, IBO means independent business owner. You are having a network of 7 IBOs. So in that case, you are earning $222. So your spending is $300, but your income is $222. If I talk about the annual income, your annual income is $2,664, right? If those people are also sharing this opportunity to other people, in that case, if assume that your total business network is of 31 IBO, and if individual, each and every people are buying product worth of rupees $300, in that case, right, your total income will be somewhere around $1,221, right? In America, in Canada, if your extra income is 1,221, what will you do, guys? Are you excited or not? Right? 1,000 American dollars means in Indian currency, it would be, it would be around 80,000 rupees, right? And most beautiful part is what? Your current job, your current profession, whatever it is, if you're doing a job or if you're doing a business, that is still on, right? So with the help of, along with your current income, this income is an extra income. There is an adjective called extra, right? So we are moving ahead, guys. If that person is also, expanding their network, you can see in the screen. Now your total, if you assume that the total network of your, IBO is 79. And if each and every individual person is doing a turnover of $300, 100-point value. So in that case, your monthly income will be approximate $3,200. Guys, $3,200. Can you imagine? Right? If I talk about the Indian currency, we cannot even imagine. But you guys are very fortunate that you are earning $3,000, right? And you are having a 25% slab. You are having a percentage slab of 25%. In India, it is 21%. In Australia, it is 21%. In UK, it is 21%. The only country in the whole world is only America and Canada, where people are getting 25%, right? So here you have an opportunity to earn 3,000 American dollars. If I'll talk about the yearly income, 38,000 American dollars you are earning, guys, right? If I'll talk about the big picture, if you're having a 16 and all the people are, building this business opportunity with a growth mindset, right? With the help of Brick Power education system, and they are also achieving a level called, 25%. In that case, from each team, you'll start getting a royalty of 6%, guys, right? If I talk about the, individual level incomes, if you'll qualify as a Q12 platinum, Q12 platinum means if you are hitting a level of 25%, and that level, if you qualify for 12 months, you'll be called as a Q12 platinum. In that case, your total income will be somewhere around $56,000 annual income. If I'll talk about the founders emerald, your income will be 123,000 American dollars. And if I'll talk about the founder diamonds, what does it mean by founder diamonds? If you're having a 6 teams and they're on 25%, you'll be called as a founder diamond. If you're having a 3 team and if that team is on 25% and the same level they are maintaining for the 12 months, you'll be called as a founder emerald. So in that case, in founder emerald case, you will get 123,000 American dollars, or in the case of founder diamond, you'll get 561,000 American dollars. If I'll convert in Indian currency, right? You are earning more than 4 crore rupees a year, guys. Is it a good income? Of course, good income, right? I'm so excited now, guys, right? By saying or by speaking this income, I got a goosebumps, right? 4 crore rupees an extra income along with your job. But I don't think so you will do a job now. Am I right? So you'll not do a job. So definitely after a certain income, or we can say, you can have an opportunity where you can announce your retirement. If I talk about the retirement, I'm so excited to be, announce the name of that couple. The name of that couple is Manish and Hina Kaptawala. Lot many times, I have inspired by that couple. At the age of 24, Manish Bhai has started an MBA business opportunity. And from the age of 26, he is living a life of, freedom, right? Nobody is controlling him, not even time and money. He controls himself. right? He's a retired person. Since the past 19 years, he's enjoying his retired life. So that kind of opportunity, guys, we also people are having. If we build this business opportunity for the next 2 to 3 years, definitely we also can retire from our current job and profession, right? So three type of incomes are available: retail margin, bonuses, and incentive. If you want to know about the more income, talk to a person whom I've invited you here in this virtual platform, right? Somebody's are having a misconception. MBA is a pyramid, MBA is a scam, XYZ. Guys, it's a purely effort based income. Nobody's on the top, nobody's on the bottom. I'll just give you an example. If I talk about me, Manish Patel, if I'm Q12 Platinums, my income will be somewhere around $56,000. If you are under me, but you are more powerful than me, if you are doing more hard work than me, if you are supporting more people, and if you're having a three team who is also qualified as a Q12 Platinum, right? So you will be called as a founder emeralds. In that case, your income will be $123,000, right? And if somebody is there under you, let's say the name is Kevin, and Kevin is more hardworking than us, and he's having a six team, he's supporting a six team, and that team is a Q12 platinum. In that case, he's a founder diamond, and Kevin income will be somewhere around 561,000 US dollars. So who is earning more money? Kevin, you, or me? Of course, Kevin. But Kevin is right at the bottom. So it's not true. It's not a pyramid. It's an effort-based income, right? So it's a very simple myth, guys. You have to work with people. You have to work with, you have to serve the people. You have to help the people, right? But to those people who are willing to learn, willing to listen, willing to adopt the change, so that kind of a quality you should look for, right? So at the end of the presentations, I would like to say there may be a lot of questions, because when I saw this business opportunity at that time, I had a lot of passions. But I set an appointment with my upline coach, upline mentor, Jayesh Bhai, right? And he gave me some audio streaming. He gave me some book. So at that time, I still remember, he gave me a first book. The name of that book was Copycat Marketing 101. And second book he gave me at that point of time was The Business of 21st Century. So by reading this two book, completely my perspective towards the network marketing, towards the direct selling industry got changed. And now, as a result, I'm in front of you guys. I'm an Emerald Direct. I'm expanding my global business. I'm having a business in US, Canada, Australia, UK, right? Even Botswana also. How many of you guys are knowing about the Botswana? Even I was also not knowing about the Botswana. But when I saw my LOS at that time, I came to know that my business is there in Botswana also. It is, right next to South Africa. So anything can happen, guys. So if you have any kind of questions, so don't keep it inside. Talk to a person whom I've invited you. He will give you some audio streaming. He will suggest you some book. Refer that, and that will help you to make a decision, right? So it was a pleasant talking to you guys. But I'm working and I'm building this business opportunity with my wife. So my wife is also with me, and she is helping me like anything. She is my wife, but she is my life, guys, right? If I am talking to in front of you, it is just because of my wife. So please help me welcome with a big round of applause my beautiful wife, Kamini, on the screen, please. Thank you.
Hello, friends. Good morning. So once again, big applause for my husband. My name is Kamini. I am a businesswoman, and we both are building this business very passionately, friends. Wish you all the best, and thank you, friends.
So in summary wise, I would like to tell you that it's a wonderful opportunity. It's a very simple. You have to use only common sense. You have to do only two things. You have to change the buying habit, and at the same time, you have to find a people who are willing to change their buying habit. That's a simple concept. So it was a pleasant talking to you guys. So thank you very much, and back to my host Drumil Bhai. Thank you so much.
Fantastic job, Manish Bhai. Fantastic job. Even Manish Bhai, when he was talking about the money, we also got the goosebumps, right? It's in dollars, of course. So, okay, thank you very much, Manish and Kamini Patel, for sharing your insights about biggest entrepreneurship program, and of course the mentorship program. Folks, I would like to recommend you, the person who has invited you, just ask for a copy of a Go Giver. It's a basically it's a book on the importance of the mentorship program, and just ask for the other book, the as our speaker said, The Business of 21st Century. You'll let getting know about the industry, right? What is direct selling and network marketing industry, and what assets can you build through that industry. Okay. And going ahead, we have some significant levels of recognition here. I would like to recognize all of them. Okay, we have some a significant level of success. They are known as Emerald Directs, and here in India, they earn a huge income, and they are recognized India on a national basis, of course. And one of the keynote speaker was our Manish and Kamini Patel today. So I would again like to give a big round of applause to Manish and Kamini Patel here. Friends, if you can see, the people here, the couple here who are building the business, they are from different profile, different background, right? So there is there is what we can say, there is a sign of success here. Whether you belong to some good field, or you have some you are not educated or you're very much educated, if you have the will, there is a way. If you have the vision and wisdom of your life, you can build this business very passionately. Moving ahead, we also have some very good significant level of success. They are recognized globally. They are known as Diamond Directs, and today we are very fortunate and we are very lucky. We have some of the diamonds here associated with us. So I would like to invite Jayesh and Smita Verma here on the screen.
Thank you, Drumil bhai. Thank you so much. I am Jayesh Verma, and I am doing this business very passionately with my wife, Smita Verma. First of all, I think we should give a big hand to our friends, and thank you very much, Manish Patel and Kamini Patel, for sharing the wisdom, and thank you. I can only suggest that, like I also joined this business around 18 years back, and we were very busy executive in the Tata company, and we had our multinational companies agency business, and we were having 7 multinational companies which we used to represent. All MNCs we used to represent. So they were keeping us very busy. We were all being mishandled, and we were always busy. So I thought that I will have to do it differently, because we have to always create, recreate. And with that creation and recreation, then only you have to maintain your business. Then only you can become number one, or you can remain in the right position. So friends, it was becoming so insecure, and it was becoming so competitive. It was becoming so complex. So I was losing out on time, and I thought about doing it differently. So I was looking for some business models, and thank God I could lay my hands onto this business model, which was Amway and combination of Brit Worldwide, with the backup of the system. And there is always a backup of a mentor here, friends. And we are so lucky that today, because of this business and because of the mentors, Manish and Hina Gaptawala, you will see them hereafter, and we are free today. Not only free, but we have got enough time at our disposal, and money follows. The best part is that money follows. This is the model which is, there is no bar of education, there is no bar of caste, no creed, nothing, no bar. You are black, you are white, whatever, we can do this business very successfully. So that's the only thing which I liked about this business. It's a very global, it's a very flexible business. You can do it in flexible time. And I used to do this business after 10:30, 11 in the night. And I got people who were interested in doing business and who were interested in earning money. So I was so happy. And my wife supports me in a business, and I would love that you hear from my wife. This is Smita here.
Good morning, friends. My name is Smita, and I have done my master's in mathematics. And as Jayesh said, we are building this business from past 18 years very passionately. Friends, before this business, we did have money, friends, but we never had a balanced lifestyle. Jayesh was busy building his business. He didn't have time for the family. So only me and my family could enjoy the money. Jayesh was always absent, friends, right? But after building this business today, we are not only successful in this Amway business, but Jayesh is successful in his traditional business also and Amway business also. This is all because of Amway, Brit Worldwide System and mentorship program. For the new people who are here for the first time, I would suggest that you again reconnect with the person who has invited you, sit down with them, go through the money plan, understand it properly, solve your queries if you have any, so that you can evaluate this business properly. Go through some streamings of successful people and study this business properly so that you can take a right decision for yourself and your family, friends. Last but not the least, you, with the help of system and mentorship program, you can build this business and create an asset for your family without disturbing your job, profession or business, friends. And you see all the leadership here. If we all can do it, you all can do it too, provided you follow the path which we followed, friends, right? Wish you all the best, and back to Jayesh.
Yeah, so I highly encourage you to ask people who are new for the first time. I would highly encourage you to ask for a good streaming or a good booklet or for Boyo, whatever, from your person who has called you, because if you ask, they're only going to give you. They're going to give you. And as I mentioned, there's a mentorship program here, and with the help of the mentors, you can be very easily successful. We have mentors of our own mentors, Manish and Hina Guptawala. And I would, with your help, I would request them to come on the screen. Manish and Hina Guptawala, please.
Thank you, Mr. Jayesh and Smita Verma. Our thanks to our host Drumil and Hiral साहब, बहुत ही अच्छा आज होस्टिंग किया. I would like to talk in हिंदी कि भाई आज हम लोग हिंदी में बात करेंगे क्योंकि हमारा ये स्पेशल इंडियन लोगों का ये इंटरनेशनल मीटिंग है और कई कंट्री से यहाँ पर लोग जुड़े हैं. कई लोग ऑस्ट्रेलिया से भी है, यूके से है, कनाडा से है, यूएसए से है. तो मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में बात करना चाहूंगा. दोस्तों, नाम है मनीष कप्तावाला. हम लोग इंडिया से बात कर रहे हैं. मैं इंडिया की सबसे लार्जेस्ट कंपनी रिलायंस कंपनी में मैं जॉब करता था. एज ऑफ 24, जैसे आज हमारे बहुत ही जबरदस्त स्पीकर मनीष और कामिनी पटेल, मैं चाहता हूं उनके लिए एक जोरदार ताली होनी चाहिए. उन्होंने आज बहुत ही अच्छा उनका जो एक्सपीरियंस है उन्होंने शेयर किया ये बिजनेस के बारे में. और हमने ये बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया था, मैंने और हिना ने. मैंने मेरी एज ऑफ 24 ये बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया था, जैसे मनीष एंड कामिनी पटेल ने बताया वैसे. और एज ऑफ 26 मैंने मेरी जॉब को छोड़ दिया. आई लेफ्ट माय जॉब एज ऑफ 26. और मैं जब ये बिजनेस में आया था तो मैं आपको इतना बता सकता हूँ, जैसे मनीष पटेल ने बताया कि मैं मेरी जॉब को जरा भी लाइक नहीं करता था. मैं बहुत ही ड्रीमर्स था, मैं बहुत ही एम्बिशियस था और मैं ऑलवेज एक लुकिंग्स ऑन में था कि मुझे मेरी लाइफ में सक्सेस होने के लिए कुछ करना है. और जब मैंने ये बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी दिखा तो मेरे जो मेंटर्स हैं, जो आपने अभी एमरल्ड की डायमंड की स्क्रीन पे देखा, रवि प्रकाश एंड मंजू साहब, प्लीज उनके लिए एक जोरदार ताली होनी चाहिए. तो उनके मेंटरशिप प्रोग्राम के कारण आज हम लोग टोटली सक्सेसफुल है. तो एज ऑफ 26 हम लोग रिटायर्ड हो गए और आज थ्रू दिस बिजनेस वी ट्रैवल ऑल अराउंड वर्ल्ड. मोर देन 30 कंट्रीज एंड अबाउ कंट्रीज हम लोग घूम चुके हैं. और उन्होंने ऑलरेडी इनकम बताया आपको तो कि भाई डायमंड का इनकम क्या होता है, राइट. तो मैं जयेश भाई हम लोग ये लेवल पे हैं. और मैं इतना आपको बोल सकता हूं कि आप अपनी जॉब जो भी है, बिजनेस है या आपका जो भी प्रोफेशन है, उसके साथ ये बिजनेस को ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड आप ये बिजनेस को बिल्ड कर सकते हो. हमने जब चालू किया था तो हमने नहीं सोचा था कि इंडिया से बाहर बिजनेस जाएगा, इवन हमारे स्टेट से बाहर जाएगा. लेकिन टुडे आज हमारा मोर देन 9 कंट्रीज बिजनेस, हम लोग ये बिजनेस को रन कर रहे हैं. और कहीं ना कहीं से कुछ ना कुछ अलग अलग डिफरेंट कंट्रीज से करेंसी हम लोग कमा रहे हैं. और सेम अपॉर्चुनिटी आपके पास भी है. तो आप लोग इवेल्युएट कीजिए ये बिजनेस को, हम इवेल्युएट करेंगे आपको. देन हमारा एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग और पार्टनरशिप के साथ हम ये बिजनेस को पूरी दुनिया में ये बिजनेस को हम लोग बिल्ड कर सकते हैं. और ये बिजनेस हमने साथ में बिल्ड किया, मैं और हिना. शी इज माय बिजनेस पार्टनर. तो हियर इज हिना.
हेलो एवरीवन, माई सेल्फ हिना, और हम दोनों बहुत ही सक्सेसफुली बिजनेस कर रहे हैं और वेरी यंग एज हमने ये बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया था और बहुत बहुत ड्रीमर्स थे हम लोग, इसलिए बहुत ही फास्ट हमने बिजनेस किया और जैसे मनीष ने बताया 5 इयर्स हमने बिजनेस बिल्ड करके हम लोग फ्री हो गए। और मनीष पटेल ने ऑलरेडी उनकी स्पीच में बताया कि आज 20 इयर्स से हम लोग फ्रीडम की लाइफ एंजॉय कर रहे हैं और ये सब कुछ ये बिजनेस की बदौलत ही हुआ है। और हमने ये बिजनेस एज ए कैरियर की तरह हमने बिल्ड किया था। हाँ, ये बिजनेस पार्ट टाइम है लेकिन सम टाइम नहीं है। अगर आप बिजनेस आपके जॉब बिजनेस प्रोफेशन के साथ अगर ये बिजनेस आप बिल्ड करते हो तो आप भी बहुत ही जल्दी सक्सेस हो सकते हो। और यहाँ पे फ्री वर्ल्ड ट्रिप है, रिकॉग्निशन, रिवॉर्ड्स एंड रिकॉग्निशन है, मनी तो है ही है, लेकिन मैं आपको इतना जरूर बताऊंगी कि बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल बिजनेस है। हम लोग आज इंडिया से बिजनेस की शुरुआत की थी और जैसे मनीष ने बताया कि आज हमारे बहुत सारी कंट्रीज में हम लोग बिजनेस बिल्ड कर रहे हैं और बहुत ही गुड इनकम कमा रहे हैं। तो ये हमारे लिए पॉसिबल हुआ है तो डेफिनेटली आपके लिए भी होगा। अगर हम कर सकते हैं तो आप भी कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू एंड विश यू गुड लक।
Thank you, Drumil. Back to the host.
Okay, thank you very much, Diamonds. Thank you for sharing your wisdom words. And the next level of success I would like to recognize again through my screen. Okay, the next level of success, there are international mentors, right? Their names are one of the speakers in, US. They stay in New Jersey. Their names are Kulin and Meena Desai. Kulin Desai used to work with Citibank as a vice president. I mean, he has got excellent degrees, master's degree and whatnot. Right? But today, from this opportunity, they expanded this business across so many countries. You can read here across US, Canada, India, and Australia, Malaysia, Singapore, Vietnam, so many countries, and they are recognized worldwide. Again, we have our country mentors. Their names are Kanti and Lata Gala. Again, Kanti ji is a PhD degree holder, and Lata ji, she's an MS, and both pursued a very reputed jobs and still pursued the business. And today they are mentoring the whole country. Okay, and we would like to recognize our US mentors. Their names are Kant and Shaku Miriala. I can talk n number of things for this couple. I would like to give Hiral some opportunity to speak about this couple, please.
Hello guys, good evening. This is Hiral and Drumil, and for the mentor of our US business and most of the country business is Mr. Kant and Shaku Miriala, and you can already read from the screen, friends. He has so much of degrees. He is BS, MS, and PhD from the top universities of India, as well as he is a PhD from Chicago University. And Shaku Miriala is MS in Computer Science, again from Chicago. Friends, they always talk about themselves that they were in a very successful career. They really enjoyed their jobs. They really enjoyed their professional career. But because they were dreamers, and they thought that they could be a better human being in this mentorship program. That was the reason which they believed that motivated them to do the business. And actually, if we talk about ourselves also, the reason why we are doing so much good in the business is a mentorship program. See guys, you could, this is one thing, if someone shows you a good vision, you can definitely walk the path and you can achieve your dreams. That is a very wonderful reason why you should check the business. And talking more about Mr. Kant and Shaku Miriala, they're guiding us through US and Canada business, also UK, Australia, and New Zealand business, even many more countries. But the thing which we like about the couple is their humbleness. They have a very good professional career as well as a career in Amway. Then also with a very good and humble heart, they support us in the business. And with this, I would like to give back to Drumil, and thank you very much.
Okay, friends. So that's it for today's webinar. And okay, friends. So that's it for today's webinar, and we will end up our webinar here. Stay home, stay safe.